Hello and welcome. In this video, I want to show you how to create a blog using the Blogger tool. Once you have selected your browser choice, you want to go on your address bar and type in blogger.com. Once the website opens, you will be able to see the home page for the tool, which contains different information about the different features of the tool, how to get the free domain, how to know your audience, and how to reach millions using the application and creating your own blog. To start creating your own blog, you can hit on the Create Your Blog button, or you can also sign in, which you can find on the upper right corner. So let's sign in, and you can actually use Blogger using your existing Gmail account. But if you don't have any Gmail account, you can enter a different email account. I'm gonna sign in using my Gmail account. And once you are logged in, this is going to be the home page for the Blogger application. From here, you can see the different settings and the reading list and a help button on the left corner. To start creating your blog, you want to hit on the Create New Blog button. And there you can title your blog. So I'm going to title it my first blog. And here you can enter an address that you want to assign to this blog. firstblog.blogspot.com. And it's going to tell you if that address is actually available, or if it's not, then you want to perhaps have to pick a different, let's say tutorial blogspot, and that is also not available. Let's try a different one. My first tutorial. There you have it. This one is available. Then you can actually pick the theme for your first blog entry, and you can pick from the different templates or themes that are available. So let's just pick any one. Let's pick the contemporary. Once you select it, you can hit on Create Blog. And it's going to tell you that it's going to look for a domain. And it's going to give you the different options if you want to buy the domain. But if you don't want to get a domain, you can also just not get your own personalized domain. So you can just close that. And then here is your homepage for your blog. And to create a new post within your blog, you just want to hit the new post. And there, it works just as you were working on a Word document. So from here, you can select different font options. You can also insert pictures from your computer. There you can insert different pictures, and you can title your blog post. So I'm gonna say my entrepreneurial blog, and then I'm just gonna give it title, my entrepreneurial journey. Then you can change the different colors of your font. You can italize it, you can make it bold. And here is the toolbar where you can change it just as if you were working on a Word document. I'm just gonna enter something. This is my first blog entry. This is my first blog. I want to share my experience of being an entrepreneur. So you can actually just type in all your ideas, what you want to share with people on your blog, and you want to always save it, so you can find this publish, the save, and the preview button on the top right corner. And if you want to preview your blog, you can just hit preview, and it's going to show you the template or the theme that you selected at the beginning and how your blog displays. Again, for activity number 6, you want to share your experience, but you also want to add images and anecdotes and quotes from your favorite entrepreneurs. So if you want to go back to your blog, that's just a preview. So you can close that so you can see how it displays. Once you have done creating your blog, you just want to publish it. And it's going to take you back to the home page, and here is where your blog is going to be saved. And if you click on it, you can go back and edit it. So you can change things, you can update things, and you can update it. From there are other options, and you always want to be able to share your blog. So once you open your blog, you can always copy your blog address and share it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to learn how to create your blog using Blogger. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.